Good evening. I'm Specialist Murphy, United States Army. Status still MIA. I'm here at Pittsburgh, California, Sheet Metal and Associates Office of the Executive. The Executive Office here has been here for approximately 6 years, since 2012, October 22nd to be exact. Today I'm here promoted progress of videos, series of videos, claiming I be MIA, and this be an official distress message for proper relief relative to my military jurisdictions at 144 Field Artillery, 1300 Federal Avenue, Los Angeles, California. I was abandoned from service. I do mean abandoned, and left MIA without my 13 teeth. 13 teeth are still missing from my mouth to this day. I know it looks like I have them, but there are some molars in the back and some other teeth miscellaneous that are missing that have been extracted between the years 2003 and 2004. Date specific, very under much stress. I don't even want to know the specific date right now and look it up. But I've been going through a lot of court process and proceedings. There's a lot of numbers involved, case numbers, for example. Here, I'm going to remind you and review the complaint demand for jury trial that was filed at the U.S. District Court jurisdictions, Northern District of California. Originally filed date January 4th, 2019. This case here was brought up against the office of Kamala Harris, Senator, United States of America. Plaintiff here, B.I. U.S. Army Specialist E4, Shannon O. Murphy, Sr. I have been in receipt of much unfair due process of law this case matter. Here's an order reassigning the case. Subsequent the events here, primarily I want to review and recap on here is that there was an order, mind you, from the judge. This indication here at the case number, Sierra Kilo, represents the presiding judge of the matter, the judge presiding over the matter here, and that is Judge Sally Kim. The Honorable Sally Kim is hearing this matter. So thus far before, she has reassigned the case matter since. I've noticed a mint error here. Here is the complaint complying Judge Sally Kim's request to have my complaint amended. My complaint was amended. It was amended on April 1st, I believe, or take it, 2019, not 2018. Here's an example of the types of indications that I've received from the court clerk to the judge, and the judge rather, that are evidence, composite evidence to me that there are flagrant jurisdictions to aggravate me, cause me panic attack, which I exclaimed of relevant my body. My bipolar condition has also been disrupted here, aggravated and disrupted. The VA jurisdictions have diagnosed me with bipolar 1 disorder. I received that when trying to, or attempting to retrieve my 13 teeth back in 2015. October 28th, I was discharged from VA DC on an attempt cross country from here, Oakland, California. Took the Greyhound bus. The reason why I took the Greyhound bus to DC, let me finish, to DC, and then I was relieved by the Secret Service there, attending the White House appointment, which was a little bit too early in the morning, late after they closed, rather before morning, and I was seen and admitted to the hospital at VA DC, Veterans Administration, VA clinic at DC, Washington. Now, the reason why my complaint was primarily I had no objection to and was very, very influential myself, and eager to have the case amended, the case complaint rather amended, because I spelled jury wrong here. I'm an in pro se attorney, rather. By the way, I'm acting as my own attorney in this matter against the office of Kamala Harris, U.S. Senator. To use is not going to look pretty on my manuscript here, my profile, and I do care about my work, especially. I filed this case, fill you in, I feel tort negligences here on part of Kamala Harris's office. They were supposed to administer a request for congressional inquiry. I applied a request for congressional inquiry back in 2018, February of 2018. I administered by fax appointment to various locations. Also, the office of the Senator Dianne Feinstein, who's also at a point now have been applied a lawsuit case at U.S. District Court, Northern District of California, jurisdiction is relevant. The case, let me get back. The case has been dismissed unfairly. Also, and I complied that I've just showed you here, matters pertaining aggravations here. Much aggravation, insult of my intelligence, my composure here to maintain sane here, and decent respect, official duty here as a U.S. soldier. Very disrespectful attitudes by the judges here, including now the case being reassigned to the supposed Honorable Yvonne Gonzalez Rogers. Here it is, order denying request for consideration after complaint was dismissed. Now the case was dismissed for prejudicial reasons, very, very rude. And I have something here stating that they're denying me the right to counsel. Here's something here. They hit me from all sides. Here's the case from the office of the Senator Dianne Feinstein. Case number here relevant. 19 Charlie Victor 00075 DMR. You'll find out who DMR is later. Here's the order denying appointments of counsel. Mind you, at due process, I'm not a perfectionist. I'm not here to claim to be the best attorney in the world. And in this instance, in this type of case, there is a provision allowed by the U.S. District Court. It's called General Order. Is allowed by provision General Order 25, which allows applications for a receipt of a pro bono attorney, and I have applied for one. And this is what I got back, denying my appointment of counsel, stating that I'm not handicapped enough to receive one. I says, I don't believe that you have to be handicapped to receive a pro bono attorney. You shouldn't be allowed. The only reason here, look at what it says, the legal standard for appointment of counsel. Mr. Murphy is not an indigent litigant who may lose his physical liberty if he loses the litigation, and therefore has no right to counsel in this case. Bull crap. You believe that? Just because I'm not going to lose my physical well-being or such, which is a lie. Like I said, the VA has references to my teeth being taken out, my stomach complications, physical presence of my stomach being damaged and further cause problems is evidence of physical loss. So I'm going to have to appoint what you call a request for consideration on that. A request for reconsideration will be applied in this instance here for this case against the office of Dianne Feinstein. And I'll keep you guys posted on that. Again, here we are at the office of Sheet Metal and Associates, a legal advisory and document company here in Pittsburgh, California, where by appointment only you can contact us you can contact us at any time by telephone, fax, or not by fax, but email, and we will make appointment to assist you in your legal endeavors, miscellaneous, Superior Court of California relevant, mainly jurisdictions we have expertise and experience in, very much experience in, over 6 years experience at least, 12 years in the trade here, United States Superior Court of California law relevant. We don't claim to know everything, but we can assist you. Thank you very much. I wanted to really reiterate on these cases. They are very complex. If there's any attorneys out there who wish to contact me, you feel free to do so. You can reach me at my number 925-483-1128. Our other number is 925-267-4255. Sheet Metal Associates welcomes you, and Shannon Murphy, Specialist United States Army, welcomes you also to endeavor our legal operations here at U.S. District Court relevant, U.S. District Court, Northern District of California, and those at Superior Court of California jurisdictions relevant. All attorneys are welcome. Open to the public also by appointment only. Please give us a call if you need some assistance. 925-483-1128. 925-267-4255. Once again, I'm Specialist Murphy. I'm very, very, very disgusted about the situation here. Again, my 13 teeth were removed, never replaced by the United States Army. 3 years of my 6-year obligation has been terminated unfairly. I've been abused, abandoned from service, United States Army 144 Field Artillery, without good cause. Very flagrant maneuver. I claim murder versus manslaughter here, and I am going to appoint now, since these cases of situations of aggravation, so that these judges are appointed and these clerks relevant to U.S. District Court are going to be part of a conspiracy now and a point of experience. Federal Bureau of Investigation will be notified because of these incidences where we have been constantly denied and aggravated, now denied only counsel for pro bono assignment to myself as the plaintiff litigant, but also we have been denied our proper jurisdiction for the counsel. But you wonder, where are the attorneys for the defendants located in this matter? We shouldn't have to even go through all this amended complaints. Once they notified Kamala Harris and Dianne Feinstein that they've been sued, you bet you that someone's supposed to contact me. Thank you very much. The attorney, especially during the process of litigation, this for long in the process, fair due process of law, if there's such thing here. And I don't think it's been honored here. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This is Specialist Murphy, United States Army, out. Sheet Metal Associates, out.